I almost made a mistake with Creatify AI, not because it's a bad tool, but because I expected it to do something it was never built to do. And I think that's exactly why so many reviews online are confusing. People buy it expecting a complete video editor, then leave disappointed. So before you spend your money, let me show you what this tool is actually good at, and who should probably skip it. The first thing you'll notice is how fast everything is. Instead of starting with a blank timeline, Creatify AI wants you to start with an idea, a product, or even just a product link. Within a few minutes, it can generate a video that honestly looks much better than I expected the first time I tried it. If you're making ads or short promotional videos every week, that speed alone is impressive. But here's where I stopped for a second. I asked myself, would I upload this exactly as it is? My answer was, probably not. The AI gets you maybe 70 or 80% of the way there. The remaining part is still your job. I'd swap a few visuals, rewrite some lines, change the pacing, and make it sound more like my brand. That's not a complaint, by the way. That's just how AI content works today. Now, let's talk about who this tool is really for. If you're running an e-commerce store, selling digital products, managing client ads, or creating UGC style marketing videos all the time, Creatify AI can save you hours every week. Instead of spending half a day making one ad, you can generate several ideas and spend your time improving the best one. But if you're expecting it to replace Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or a professional video editor, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. That's like buying an electric scooter and expecting it to perform like a sports car. They're built for completely different jobs. So, is Creatify AI worth your money? I'd say yes, but only if saving time is already worth money to you. If you're creating one video every few months, the subscription probably won't make much sense. But if content is part of your business and speed matters, I can absolutely see why people keep paying for it. Now, I'm curious about you. If you tried Creatify AI today, what would you use it for first? Product ads, UGC videos, social media content, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to see how different people are actually using it.